Being Anokhi, I'm gonna miss the name Anokhi. God, just be natural, dude. Let's say frustrated sometimes, I'll be like, darwaza nikal, main ja rahi kal. Haven't been selected from TikTok. Hi, this is Dibatma, and you are watching me on Celeb Mode. जितने भी डिज्नी की princesses हैं, maybe animated. Damn. Array. See, I'm very confused. Don't ask me. I mean, oh, yeah, maybe. I know. God, I do want a Doraemon in my life though, and I need his anywhere door. Set से frustrated sometimes, I'll be like, दरवाजा निकाल, मैं जा रही घर. I'd like to be Nobita then. Yeah. मैं खुद ही sarcastic thing I love about myself. Sarcastic thing को हटा के, what I love about myself is that I am a giver, I feel, and I like mixing with people. I can start conversation with anyone, and I feel I like to do that. I'm not saying I love that about myself or something. No, it's just that I like talking to people. Sometimes I'm just completely quiet, but I like having conversations with strangers sometimes, know their stories and stuff, sitting somewhere ekdam bahar chupchap se. I like to be in my mode, and what I like about myself is I do care. And sometimes that's a positive thing, but sometimes it's a negative thing as well. But I think that whatsoever the situation is, even if it's negative, I still should love, spread love. Nothing negative should be there. So this is just like Anokhi. Yeah. अगर आप गाड़ी में भी कहीं पे कुछ सामान उठा के you just hop into it. It's not that कि it should be a perfect date कि dinner table set करो या फिर movie देखने चले या फिर ऐसा. No, if your partner is good enough and you guys laugh and enjoy together, चाहे आप वो रास्ते में बैठ के भी हंसो या फिर कहीं river side में बैठ के pizza खाओ. These are natural dates because there you enjoy, because baki you'll be like कि चलो okay, hi, nice to meet you, oh, hi. But once you bond with someone, then that's a perfect date. Yeah, I mean with whoever you just bond and कुछ भी करो उसके साथ, it'll be an amazing date, I tell you. Oh yes, ये मैं बोलना चाहूँगी. Okay. I'm an actor. I haven't been selected from TikTok. I don't have any. I myself used to use that app, and I don't have any grudge or something. इसीलिए नहीं बोल रही, but इसीलिए ये लोगों तक पहुँचाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मेरे पिछले शो में मैंने genuine auditions दिया था, and then I got selected as Pariniti Ganguly, whatsoever my role was. एक बहुत अभी भी लोग आके पूछते हैं आपको टिकटॉक से सिलेक्ट किया गया था. नहीं, मुझे टिकटॉक से सिलेक्ट नहीं किया गया था. आई बीइंग एन एक्टर, आई ऑल्सो यूज्ड टिकटॉक लाइक अदर एक्टर्स, बट मुझे टिकटॉक से नहीं चूज किया गया था. आई लाइक टू क्लियर दैट अप. सो समझ रहे हो या स्क्रीम्ड. रोना तो अलग है, चलो स्क्रीम्ड ना. जो गाड़ी वाला शॉट नहीं था जब प्रोफेसर साहब मुझे चिल्लाने के लिए बोलते हैं कि चिल्ला के निकाल दो. आई वॉज लाइक कि इतना ज़ोर से तो मैंने चिल्लाई नहीं. एंड तब आई गॉट कोल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बारिश. नो कोविड बिकॉज आई डिड माई RT-PCR डन अलग से. बट दैट टाइम आई वॉज लाइक गाड़ी में ऐसा लग रहा था भाई गाड़ी इको कर रहा है मेरी वैसे सो आई स्क्रीम्ड. दैट वॉज द लास्ट टाइम आई स्क्रीम्ड. I like the same thing, I dislike the same thing. I dislike the fact that I think way too much about others. क्योंकि when you're hurt, sometimes you just feel like, why do I think so much about others? Why do I. But I can't help it, right? I mean, that's my nature, caring about others or something. So maybe I somehow, I feel like कि नहीं अब, attach नहीं होना अब, ऐसे रखना खुद को. पर होता नहीं है. Hi, someone will be like कितना भी मुझे, गुस्सा दिला दे. Sorry. It's okay, yaar. I don't know. I had this thing. Oh God. Yeah. Recently, यार याद नहीं आ रहा. It was so strong कि अभी दिमाग में भी नहीं. Cringe. Like you. Yeah. जब बहुत creepy flirting के lines यूज़ करते हैं ना, लड़कों को लगता है हाय व्हाट्सएप, मेरे को मेरा वीओ चलता है. यू नो वे. ओ माय गॉड, जस्ट बी नेचुरल डूड. You get that right? Out of politeness. Oh, this is a nice question. Uncomfortable thing. कभी कभार ना जब आपको बहुत गुस्सा आता है पर आप अपना गुस्सा नहीं दिखा सकते एंड आपको एकदम स्माइल करना पड़ता है. कब हुआ नहीं बोलूँगी बट अक्सर होता रहता है. इट विल बी लाइक बट आउट polite you have to be, so you can't just say or say anything. You'll be like yeah. मेरी शक्ल पे दिख जाती है. मैं इतनी ट्रांसपेरेंट हूँ ना, मेरी शक्ल पे दिख जाती है. इफ़ आई एम पेस्ड और समथिंग दैट टाइम आई विल बी लाइक ओके कहीं झगड़ा चल रहा है, आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग दैट. मुझे भी बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है. मैं अभी आती हूँ. ओह डैम. या ओह हाउ ऑफन. मुझे तो लगता है हमेशा ऑटो पायलट में ही रहता है मेरा. हर रोज मैं zoned out and I call that my hibernation zone. आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम तू ठीक है ना? I mean, आयु दिस हाँ नहीं वो क्या सोच रही थी मैं. This is my scenario. I'm telling you, autopilot mode. अरे अभी नहीं हूँ. Which celebrity? Who? You want me to name any actress or something?
Anyone you want to switch your life with?
Switch your life with? Oh damn. Chris Hemsworth. He's liked by everyone. I mean, I do adore Chris Hemsworth. And he's that family kind of a guy also, and I'm that family kind of a girl also. So अगर switch करना होता, I have a nice family life as well. I have a nice, career as well. And I'm so good looking that most of the people love me because of my acting and my looks and stuff. So obviously. No, never. और जब भी मैं rehearse करती हूँ ना, I know कि I do something weird. Hi, hello. Okay, fine. Hi. नहीं, yeah. It's so weird अगर आप प्लान करते, इसलिए कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड कॉल्स होते हैं. क्या बोलूँ मैं? ओके फाइन सेट. नहीं, मैं नहीं बात कर सकती. बट अल्टीमेटली यू हैव टू डू इट. एंड उस दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जस्ट बिफोर द कॉल आई नेवर थिंक ऑफ इट, बिकॉज व्हेन आई थिंक आई मेस अप. I completely mess up. How do you think I'm taking it? I just don't want to show, maybe, but I don't want to cry. I'm not crying because I'm emotional now, Baba. So, obviously, we all are affected. We all are so attached to each other. And being Anokhi, I'm gonna miss the name Anokhi when सुबह उठ के when I do my makeup. Anokhi ready? Anokhi कितना टाइम बाकी है? Anokhi सुन. Anokhi ये, Anokhi वो. I'm gonna miss that so. And also the love. Oh, see, I just got goosebumps. Um, Autopilot मोड में जा रही हूँ आजकल ज़्यादा, तो it says a lot actually. Yeah. The bond with everyone. I mean, आज भी देवी माँ के साथ जाके I'm just, I call her mama, and हर्ष सर के साथ भी I'm like, even I have fun with Karan. आजकल तो और ज़्यादा मस्ती मजाक होने लगा है, just वो serious माहौल, so I'm gonna miss all this. And also the name Anokhi, being called out Anokhi din bhar na. Oh, I feel good. Anokhi is Devatama, Devatama is Anokhi. So I don't see any difference here. And I love being Anokhi. Actually, we met on our previous serial, and that's how we know each other. So, like, we don't often meet, but whenever we meet, she's like, "Arey di," and I'm like, "Abe." So this is the bond, in my previous serial also. The first time when I came on set, in my previous set, like, she thought that I was younger to her. So she was like, "Hi, what's your name?" I was like, Devatama. What? Devatama. Okay, hi, I'm Sumbul. How old are you, by the way? Because I was doing the, Sony TV में ना, तो she was like, she's the sister. She was like, इतनी छोटी सी लड़की कैसे लीड बनेगी? तो होता है ना कि, like, how old are you, by the way? She was 17 that time. तो I was like, 23. I was like 23. No. I was like 22, I guess. 22. Huh? What? Oh my god! Sorry यार, आप तो मुझसे भी छोटी लगती हो. And then I started laughing, but we had so much fun. We both are monkeys, I feel. And this is how we gel. And I love her. Like, she's a sweetheart. She's really, really sweet. And she's also a hardworking actor. And she's doing absolutely amazing. Oh god, I love you guys. I won't describe much. I won't just utter a lot of things. Thank you for loving me, making Devatama a better Anokhi each day. Thank you. I'm blessed and grateful. I love you guys.